running like a 12 something.
A 12 something?
Car I was driving with him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it wasn't my car. It was a friend of mine.
Okay.
We just getting started out, and I was just trying to help him, tune it.
Okay. Did he get it fine and tuned? He's still running?
No, he traded that and got something else faster. So.
What? He wanted to go to the next level?
That's right, he went.
Dang. Well, he
I
still...
haven't seen him in a while now, so...
Well, what's his name?
His name was... Last name was Rogers.
Rogers? Hey, Rogers, where you at, man?
Robert Rogers.
Robert Rogers, man. We was over here working on your car, then all of a sudden you done disappeared. We don't even know where you at. You playing Robert. I'm gonna find Robert Rogers for you, man. Hey! Robert Rogers, where the hell you at? Hey! Where you go? Hey, they said it was Fred. They said his name was Fred, not Roger. His name was Robert.
His name was Robert.
Okay, his name was Robert, man. Golly.
with the win line, 5:29 to go to the final round. 6:13, dead on with a 7 for Mad Max. 004 on the tree for Jeremy Casey, gets it done. Casey still in 10th place. At 118.05 miles an hour. Final round is set in pro. Jeremy Casey will be racing.
Casey,
Jesse
keep moving
Survivors.
on. Look out, do we have a race car? Yep.
Super Pro Green.
Oh, snap.
Super Pro Green coming our way next. 8 car.
Mac Daddy.
Next round is money round. This is not money round. The next round is money round. Pro Blue to the staging lanes. Pro Blue to the staging lanes for your semifinals. Sambo Tyro, Danny Hatfield, Bruce Hodges, Jeremy Hot Lap Casey. Pro Blue semifinals to the staging lanes.
Damn. Steve Tate.
Sir.
You ready, man?
I'm ready to go.
You ready to go? Damn, you got all your time slips ready to go?
I got this far. I got to finish it up.
Oh, okay. You got to go and finish this.
I'm old. I need to go to sleep. I need to go to bed.
Hey, y'all. We got Steve Tate. He ready to go to sleep. He trying to get this shit over with, man. He ain't playing no more games with y'all. He finna show y'all something.
We got to cook it now.
You the one be hot lapping it. That's him, y'all. He ready to go. Steve Tate ready to go, y'all, with this F10. Steve, you on my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You on there?
No, I'm not, but I'll look.
This it right here. Look out, racing. I don't know what a big block said. Right lane won that, y'all.